Okay, let's take a look at the Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw. This has a very nice plastic case. Did come wrapped up in cellophane. Marketing cardboard is high quality. Inside the case here, let's take a look. Case is undamaged. Looks like it can take quite a bit of abuse and has a lot of ribbing and reinforcing. So we got metal latches. Open up the latches. And on the inside, the first thing we notice is it does come with some tools and some oil, which is really nice. Instruction manual. The saw in and of itself, wrapped up. So this looks like it's pretty much ready to go. It's already tensioned. This unit does come with 2 batteries, which are also in plastic, and a charger. So the case in and of itself is in really good shape. Holds everything together, and it's a very small footprint. So this footprint will allow you to keep it in your rig for going out on trail rides. You can put it in a dry sack in a canoe. You could, you know, even carry it in your stow-on luggage for your motorcycle. It's small enough to fit just about anywhere. So if you're doing, whether you're doing homesteading chores, home cleanup chores, or, you know, going out on the trail and doing trail cleanup, this is a nice small unit that's lightweight. So we have the saw in and of itself with its safety bars on it. We're going to go ahead and charge up the batteries. Batteries do have an indicator light. This one looks almost fully charged, or fully charged. We're going to go ahead and read through the owner's manual and charge it up, and then head out to the field and put it to use here on the homestead.